Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. And today we're going to be playing FIFA Seasons. And if they score on me, I'm beating the most sour candy in the world. This is a new challenge for today. Now let's go. Let's hop straight into this bitch. You already know who we're going to beat, bro. We're going to pick Messi. We're going to fuck shit up. You already know what's going on, bro. Argentina. Let's go. I'm trying to whoop some ass. You know, last week I did the hottest chip. You know, my next video, the hottest cheese balls. My next video, look at this shit. Hottest chip, motherfucker. Let's go. Versus Barca, damn. Messi's old team. Come on, look at Lewa, bro. Give me that shit.
My name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me, ready to provide all the tactical and technical analysis, is the former England attacker.
Damn, I was trying to give it to Messi. Give me that shit. Give it to Messi, man.
We should be in for a terrific contest. It's Barcelona versus Argentina.
I was trying to do some Messi type shit. Give me that. Damn, Lautaro, what are you doing? Oh, no way.
Saw the situation developing. Well, this is what we
Rodrigo,
for
De Paulo,
Pedri
Messi,
starts alongside Frankie de Jong in the center of midfield.
Enzo,
Leading the attack today is
Messi.
Robert Lewandowski.
Oh my God! How the fuck did I not hit that?
The Argentina first team. Cristian Romero starts alongside Lisandro.
If you guys haven't seen my last video, go ahead and watch it. I mean, I was dying in that. Give me that ball, bro. Give it to Messi.
And Messi with teammates to play it to.
No. Lost the damn ball. I've been working out, bro. Like, I just ate 8 eggs today and my farts are smelling terrible.
Yeah, there's just no rhythm, is there?
Every gym bro knows, bro. Those protein farts are disgusting. Oh! Oh! Alvarez. Oh! Who was that? Oh, I think it was Enzo. Enzo Fernandez. I'm trying to score with Messi, bro. This guy's trying to lock Messi up for some fucking reason. He's the GOAT. Oh, there it is. Bro, I'm too good at this shit. I'm telling you, this is my shit right here. Oh, ah.
Timely intervention.
Not mean. Outside anyway. No, that was a bad pass. Come on. No way. Oh, I knew he was offside. I knew he was offside, bro. Bitch ass motherfucker. Messi. Ah!
Well, the goalkeeper is thankful that it wasn't a better effort than it actually was.
That's my dog barking, bro.
Showing a great defensive instinct. Well, it's a good
Messi.
position.
Oh, no way.
Nice looking pass.
He's not gonna get that. No way. I hear my dog, bro, protecting the crib. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Messi. Messi. Ah.
Wasteful again in possession.
No way. Give me that. De Paulo. Messi. No. Oh my God. This guy keeps locking Messi down. Give me that. Look at this. Ah. No. No way, bro. How the hell did he get that? I was ready for him. Give me that. Oh, good slide.
And he stopped them in their tracks.
The ball. Vamos! Get the get the hell out of here, Lautaro. Alvarez. Oh, look, Messi's right there. I see him. Messi! Ah! God damn it! He's not gonna score on me, bro. I think I'm gonna have to play another game. Too good for this guy. Give me that!
A very effective challenge put in. Alvarez.
Messi. Oh.
Real chance.
Oh my God, dude. That was straight Messi right there.
And not giving the opposition much of a look
Give
in.
me that. Why did I send it? Julian Alvarez.
Given away
Right here
by
again.
Barcelona.
Give me that Messi. Oh my God. I missed. Is he gonna quit? Oh, he quit. What a little bitch. I need more comp. I be cooking these dudes like it's nothing, bro. I need more competition. I need some dude who plays all day, who don't do anything except beat his me and play FIFA. I need that guy. I need to play him. That's the only way I'm gonna lose. Or eat one of these shits, bro. I'm not gonna lose any other way.
Building to a crescendo all week. And very
Spain.
shortly it will be for real.
Another Lamine Yamal.
And no problems at all
Dick
on
Rider.
the
Come
weather
on,
front
Messi.
as we get ready
The
for
original
this
left-footed demon.
I'm
Come
Derek
on.
Ray in the commentary position. And
Oh
I'm
my
joined for
God.
analysis by
Oh.
Stuart Robson. And if it, Messi
Oh my God! Just like Messi.
they strike first.
Just like Messi. You see what I'm saying? I ran through his whole defense.
Back underway.
My God, who are these
1-0
people,
it is.
bro, that are playing? It's
See
probably a
what happens
fucking
next.
kid. No.
And a goal, the equalizer. Superb
I just got
save.
fucking scored on, bro. Fuck, I need to open this shit.
So back
I didn't play that bad.
Leveled it at 1-1 here.
Oh, shit.
And taking on the shot.
It tastes like shit.
Goalkeeper's ball, disappointingly for them. Oyarzabal released it nicely. And just like that.
It tastes like shit, bro.
Well, they made some good decisions there.
I'm good now.
Now, who can
I'm
he
good.
pass it to?
I'm good.
Oh, genuine.
Oh, no.
So nearly went in, but the post having it.
Bro, I hit the post, man. Messi.
He caught that
Oh.
very
Oh.
well.
Oh, he's through here.
Oh! Y'all see them gains, bro? You see what I'm saying? I've been working out. I only worked out twice, though. Tastes good now.
Here's another look, and you can see what a
Oh,
good
fuck, that
defender
shit
is.
cut my tongue.
Knocks off the defender
But the
quickly,
first few seconds,
keeps his composure. That's a
it's
great
pretty bad.
Oyarzabal. Chance to finish.
No way. Oh. Damn, it's only 11 minutes in?
Played over.
Yeah, this video's gonna be way longer than the other one. Messi.
Alvarez. Oh, that's an interesting pass.
Oh! Counter attack! Oh my God! If this guy quits, I'm just gonna end the video, bro. It's already been almost 10 minutes.
Yamal.
I had a thought that this candy would be way, way worse, bro. But it's not that bad. Oh, he missed again. Messi.
Well, nothing untoward
Look at this pass.
happened.
Look at this pass, bro. Oh my God.
It's been a frustrating game for them so far.
Lautaro.
The woodwork just about summed up
No
their
way.
game.
Yes, in
Oh, is he
possession
about to
again.
lock in or what?
Maybe another opportunity developing here.
If he locks in, then I might lose. Oh, good defense.
Fouling his opponent completely.
Well, that was brilliant defending.
Julian Alvarez.
Breaking at pace is always a possibility.
Oh, look at Lautaro. Ah, that's too far, man. Lautaro wasn't going to get that. Come on.
Lamine
Bro, Lamine Yamal got to be doing some freaky ass shit, bro. He's the Diddy of fucking soccer right now, bro.
Now opening things up.
Ah, fuck. I'm gonna have to eat another one. I don't even think this shit's recommended, but fuck it. I haven't even finished the first one. I go. Vamos. Ah.
Because the delivery is absolutely
Ugh.
hard and low, just invites
This
the
tastes like
goalkeeper.
shit.
And he does well to read the flight of the ball to be fair. Almost just cushions it beyond the goalkeeper and catch him off guard.
Oh my god, this one's way worse. Give me that ball, motherfucker. This shit tastes like unwashed pussy, man. Give me that shit. Matthew.
Genuine chance.
Oh, give me that penalty! No way. That's my dog.
Well, as you
I
can
gotta
see,
shower
I
him, you
think
know what
that
I'm
should have
saying?
been a
I gotta
penalty,
clean him
but
up.
I'm not convinced.
Oh, this is looking promising.
Oh, that has to. No way.
This could be the equaliser.
Yeah, give me that. No way.
But oh, what an important
How is he
finish.
catching up, bro?
How about that?
How are we only at 28 minutes in the game?
Really beat the keeper from there. They should be level now.
Give me that.
Played into the centre.
Vamos, Enzo Fernandez. The hell out of here, bro. The hell. Messi. I mean, Messi! Oh,
Going forward.
oh, he knew.
Argentina giving it away.
Bastard. I have two fucking things in my mouth, bro.
Well, difficult for both sides to find any passing rhythm.
It tastes like anything after.
To square the game.
He keeps trying to do that little pass shit, man.
From him.
Well, he's a massive threat. That really could have been his second goal there.
Give me that. Oh,
Being
no
pressed
way.
here. Oh,
I always
nice.
choke.
Could be. Saved by the keeper.
How is he doing this? How is he so, like, how is he fucking me up now?
So the corner played into the box.
Get out of here.
And a
Get the
ball
fuck out of here.
And that's probably being charitable.
Give me that ball.
Alvarez.
Messi.
On to Messi.
Look at that. Messi.
Suddenly on the front foot.
No, I lagged. No.
In a decent
Could end the
position.
goddamn game.
Oyarzabal.
He'd be very
He
disappointed
missed
with
that shit.
He should be scoring from there.
A bit wasteful from Argentina. An opening.
Oh my, you're not gonna chip me like that, bro. Lautaro.
And that last touch
We need that
throw in
damn
for them.
ball, bro.
That will be a Spain throw-in.
Give me that.
Could be threatening.
That's all he does is just pass it through the middle, huh?
Here's Alvarez.
Messi.
Quick break could be on.
Messi. Oh my god! Oh my god, I missed.
Just even further ahead. But that was
I got too excited because of Messi.
Yeah, he's certainly kept his team in this one.
Messi.
an effective cross aimed at the back post.
I suck at these corners, bro.
They'll be disappointed with that delivery.
Get out of here.
The referee has decided there will be just 1
Nope.
minute of added time.
Bro, Spain. Look at Spain. No way.
Oh, a magnificent
Dude,
save.
this guy is terrible.
Excellent speed off the line and a top class stop.
I think he's had more shots than me.
Over it comes.
Get out of here. Oh, that's
And it
halftime.
is the half-time whistle.
This video has been a little bit too long. First game, I just killed that guy, so. Let's go. Let's go, asshole. I bought way too many of this shit, bro. Like, look.
So back in business here. Who wants it more?
Like, I just bought way too much, and I didn't think it was gonna be that much. I thought it was like one. I thought it was so, like, you know, like sour. That was like 2-3 candies in each little
Williams.
thing, you know. Like, it's like 40 candies, bro. Oh, that's offside. And it's, oh, it's not. Oh, yeah, it's offside.
He's been ruled offside.
Give me that. Give me that. Oh, Messi. Oh, no. Oh, give me that. Whoa.
Of the highest order.
That is not a foul? Messi.
Oh, useful ball.
What?
The flag has gone up.
No way.
Fabian. Well, it's an attractive passing move.
Always through the
About
damn
finding
middle.
an equaliser here.
Always through the damn middle. This guy can't do anything from anywhere else. He don't know how to cut. He don't know how to do. Always from the damn middle. See what I'm saying? Always in the damn middle.
Tell that by the header, which wasn't the best.
Well, he wasn't first to the ball.
He's probably thinking always the damn
Certainly
Messi.
made the header more difficult.
What am I supposed to do?
Rodrigo de Paul. Decent idea.
Oh, Lautaro.
The danger not over.
No!
Defensive solidity for you. And
Messi.
Messi.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Trounced him up.
Oh! Oh! Ah, damn it. Get out of here, bro. Enzo. Messi.
Good-looking move. Is this the moment?
Oh! No!
Oh, that is a superb save.
No! How is it only 3-2, bro? This might be the World Cup final. Who knows? Because I know Portugal isn't going to make it. They always be playing stupid as hell, bro. Oh. God
Determined
damn it.
defending.
How did this guy catch up? It's 3-2. It's probably because he knows I'm going to pass it to Messi, huh?
Alvarez.
So let's mess with him.
And he has options
Pretend I'm
available.
passing to Messi and let's go this way.
Rewarded for that brilliant high press.
No, Messi. That would have been perfect for you, buddy.
Good conditions for the counter.
Oh, how? Give me that.
So promising.
Messi. Ah.
Threads it nicely.
Offside.
And the flag raised. Offside it is.
Dude, this guy does not know about offside. I don't know who the hell he is, bro.
Alvarez.
Messi.
Now with Messi. Can he put it away?
Oh.
Superb chance.
Oh my God. Get out of here. You need to quit, dog. You need to quit.
They lead by 2 now. They can breathe that.
I should have. Oh, shit. It's starting to get sour again.
Oh, breezing past him.
Dog, it should make my.
And
Ah.
it's 2 for him.
Making my mouth feel weird.
Masterful performance.
Why does he act like he won, bro?
So stopping.
What are these guys acting like they're winning? I haven't won nothing. Hey, he's making it easier for me. This is disgusting, man.
4-3.
Messi.
Skipping past his opponent.
No
But
way.
now the quick counter attack could be on.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, might be.
No way!
Incredible turn of
He fucking caught up.
events. It's all square again. Can you believe
I can't even open this fucking thing. Told you guys I've always fucking choked. Come on,
So back underway. And I
can't
have to
lose.
say,
I never
everything
lose.
I hoped it would
Messi.
be.
I viene Messi. Messi. Oh!
Can they forge ahead?
Oh!
Say the comeback.
And now the other one's chasing crazy. I think I'm either gonna. I'm gonna.
What a pass this is from Messi, and when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic pass. Gives the keeper no chance.
So back underway.
May cause irritation to the goddamn mouth if I eat more than one.
Pedro Porro.
I can't let him score again, bro.
Will it happen for them? Can he score?
No!
They just couldn't stay in front. And now this match is all square.
He he fucking caught up again. I might fucking have to go to hospital for this shit.
Here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the
There you
keeper
go.
has no chance. That's a great strike.
Con Messi otra vez. Vamos, Messi!
This is a joy. 5
I hope Messi sees my fucking videos.
And he stopped them in their tracks. Cross might be on.
No way!
Is offside.
But he just gets caught ball watching.
How is it 5-5? It's probably because I keep playing through Messi the whole time.
And be ready for the chance.
Teammates available.
Oh my god! It smells like shit! It smells like shit! Fuck, I think it's tied. Messi!
Really good challenge.
I can't breathe! Oh my god!
Good position. What can he and his teammates do? And let's give credit to the defending.
Oh my god. It still smells like shit.
And they push ahead.
This still smells like shit in here. No way. Oh my god.
Piece of goalkeeping that was. It's an outstanding save.
Driven in the corner.
The fuck out of here.
A good idea. Must take the lead.
No!
And they do.
I lost.
Time left. That was
I fucking lost.
astonishing drama.
I have to tie this bitch up. Let's go, Messi.
The electronic board lets the fans know 3 minutes of stoppage time. Well, still pushing forward. It's a matter of whether or not they can come up with an equaliser.
I fucking lost. I fucking lost. No fucking way. This guy caught up and beat me, bro. No! Fucking damn it! I had like 4 of them bitches in my mouth.
Well, just look at this again. Counter-attack is so impressive, and the movement is right for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
Thank you guys for watching. That was pretty fucking funny, man. If you guys don't know what happened, you'll never know what the fuck happened, but it was pretty funny. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.
Today, beaten to the ball in too many key